Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Pacifica Rose product out there, the Pacifica Rosemary Mint Scalp Love Serum. If you've been struggling with dry, itchy scalp or buildup that just won't quit, this might be the game changer you've been searching for. Pacifica has made a name for itself with clean, vegan, and cruelty-free beauty products, and this scalp serum lives up to that reputation. It's designed as a detoxifying treatment that not only clears away excess oil and product buildup but also soothes irritation and moisturizes the scalp deeply. The lightweight, leave-in formula absorbs quickly without leaving greasy residue, making it suitable for all hair types, from fine and oily to curly and coily hair textures. What sets this serum apart is its powerful blend of natural ingredients. Witch hazel plays a key role in detoxifying by dissolving oil and buildup that clog hair follicles. While rosemary, sage, and thyme extracts work together to support scalp clarity and overall health. There's also peppermint and menthol for a cooling sensation that instantly calms itchiness and sensitivity. Aloe vera and vitamin B5 hydrate the scalp to reduce dryness and flaking, creating a comfortable, balanced environment for your hair. Using the serum is simple and versatile. You can apply 2 to 4 drops directly to your scalp and massage it in, either on damp or dry hair. It's gentle enough to be used before styling, as an overnight treatment, or as part of your regular hair care routine. Just a couple of applications a week can help unclog pores, balance sebum production, and encourage healthier, fuller-looking hair by stimulating circulation to your follicles. Pacifica's commitment to clean beauty shines through in this formula. It's free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, silicones, and drying alcohols, relying instead on plant-powered ingredients. The natural rosemary mint scent comes from essential oils, so you get a refreshing fragrance without any artificial additives. Plus, it's safe for color-treated hair and suitable for all genders. Beyond just feeling good on your scalp, this serum supports hair growth by reducing breakage and shedding over time. Regular users have noticed thicker, stronger strands, which makes it a great addition if you're looking to boost your hair health from the roots. If you're dealing with dandruff, dryness, buildup, or scalp irritation, this Pacifica Rosemary Mint Scalp Love Serum offers a holistic approach to scalp care. Detox, soothe, and nourish, all in one easy-to-use product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.